What's up, you guys? It's your girl Angela and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here,
hi, welcome.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video and you don't miss out on this annoying voice. Today's video is very special because I am, oh my god, I'm afraid to touch it, but I am unboxing my YouTube play button. Let me just make sure that I really, yeah. I just wanted to make sure my address wasn't still in the box because my building likes to write my apartment number on all sides of it. But today we are unboxing my YouTube. Today we are unboxing my silver YouTube play button for surpassing 100,000 subscribers on here. I'm already getting emotional because, well, let's just get into it. I've been holding on to this box for like a week and I'll get into why I haven't opened it a little bit later, but oh my gosh, I'm opening it for the first time right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. What if I break it? Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna see it first. Okay, don't even tell me what's inside. Don't even tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so they packed it nicely. Thank you for that, YouTube. And there is a note. Let's read it. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Like, I'm like crying and it's not even like a personalized letter. Like, I'm sure everybody gets this, but you achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I mean, I guess you can call it healthy. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for the reward. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, the CEO of YouTube. That is so insane. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, let me just take it out of the paper. Oh my god, my play button, how pretty is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so insane. Like, they're definitely right. I don't do it for the rewards. I sat down and filmed my first video because I wanted to connect with you guys. I remember sitting down to film my first video and I was so nervous to talk in front of the camera, even though I had done reality TV. You're told never to look at the camera. So the first time I sat down, I was like, oh, this is gonna be so easy. And then I just looked at the camera and I was like, it's easy to kind of forget sometimes that you're not sitting in front of just a camera. I'm sitting in front of all 100,000 of you. Well, now 109,000 by the time this video goes up. I'm just so grateful to have each and every one of you here to watch me make a fool out of myself every video. I don't do this for myself. I don't do it for the money. I don't do it for the rewards. I make you feel a little less alone, because when I was going through it before Bad Girls Club, when YouTube first came out, I would watch YouTube videos to help me escape my everyday life and to escape heartbreak and sadness and loss. And even sometimes to help me go to sleep at night, I would watch a ton of ASMR videos. Spoiler alert, I still do. Or even to learn how to do makeup or hair. If it wasn't for YouTube, I would probably be really ugly right now. This is like, just look at it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god. You guys, we did it. We hit 100,000 subbies. I don't even know where I'm going to put this. I'm like, let me put this to the side before I break it. As soon as, like, I would do that. I would literally break it as soon as I opened it. This award comes at such a good time because 2019 was a really hard year for me, and 2020, frankly, hasn't been any better. And these first 2 months have been extremely trying on me and my spirit. And yep, that's me. And you're probably wondering how I got here. I'm kidding. I filmed this video a few weeks ago. It was actually 3 days after I left my now ex-boyfriend, and I was feeling extremely emotional, and I probably shouldn't even have filmed this video, but I was so excited to unbox it. But that just explains why I'm crying every 2 seconds. On top of that, I pretty much had to do a PSA on Instagram because a lot of people were sending me DMs thinking that Nelson was out cheating on me because he was acting like a dog. So I was on edge. So I apologize for that. I'm in a much better place right now, if you couldn't tell by my life update video, which I filmed much more recently. But yeah, anyway, continue. It's stuff like this that keeps me going.
Many unbearable hours later.
Basically dove headfirst into reality TV, which kind of just landed me here. And I'm so grateful because I do something now that I love. I love creating, I love filming, I love editing, I love setting up all of this equipment. I love it so much. But most importantly, I love getting a chance to connect with each and every one of you. You guys have been nothing short of amazing. I have the best subscribers in the world, and I kid you not, you guys make me laugh so hard when I read your comments and you notice little things or your little commentary. I am so obsessed, and I wish I could have all of you on my channel right here with me. Now this guy from the club is calling me. If I don't text you back, don't call me. Now I'm even more annoyed. Stop. Stop. Thank you. 2019 was a very difficult year for me. Not only did I lose my dog Zuko, who is still to this day around my neck, love you Zuko, but I feel like I lost a big part of myself, and for most of the year I was extremely unhappy. But I went into 2020 with an open mind and an open heart, and I do that every year because I just feel like New Year's are a fresh start for everybody. And January and February were complete letdowns, and I try not to let that break my spirit, but it's kind of hard not to when I have been dealt some bad cards. And I'm literally gonna kill this person, literally.
This bitch.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, but blowing up my phone when I don't answer is not the move if you're trying to get to know me. Like, I don't like that. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled programming. My heart is just so full right now. So thank you guys for everything you do for me. Even though I get DMs every day saying, oh, I watch your videos when I'm sad or I'm going through a heartbreak, and watching you is helping me get through it. You guys truly help me get through every hard time I have, whether it's a heartbreak or it's the loss of my dog or the loss of a friendship. You guys have always been there for me, and I love you so much for that. I really, really do. So thank you guys so much. This one is for you. I wish you could each... Oh, I just smacked myself. Oh, I got my makeup on it already. I wish I can give one of these to each and every one of you, because this is yours. This is all because of you. So thank you so much. I just love you guys. I do. And I love this. This is cute. So let's get to a milli. Oh, I'm so selfish. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much. But before we go, I have to give my Angela Alert Army shout out. Now this Angela Alert Army shout out is very, very special, because it's not just any Angela Alert Army shout out. it is my $100 Cash App giveaway, Angel Alert Army shout out. So today we're doing it a little bit different. So the rules for today's Cash App giveaway are very, very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, comment your Cash App down below along with one thing you are working towards in life. Whether it's a YouTube play button like I just got today, or your college degree, or maybe it's just to be a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, or just to be happy. If that's what you're working for, let me know down below along with your Cash App, and I might just be sending you $100. But now for real, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, I love all 109K of you. Love you, love you, love you. I will see you guys in the next one.